In this video, I will explain how you can format the numbers like this one. As you can see over here, the number 12 has been formatted like this one, which indicates the Indian currency. And then this number has been formatted like this one. You can see there is these two decimal points over here, and also the thousand separator comma is there. And finally, we have got this third number, which has been formatted like this with the dollar sign attached in the beginning. So let us see how do you do this in the Google Sheet. So to format this number 12 as like this one, just go to the format and then number and then custom number format. And in here, what you can do is you put in double quotes the thing that you want to prefix, and then followed by the number. So add symbol indicates the sale value, then followed by any text that you want to add. So for example, lakhs. And then click on apply, and you can see that now it is formatted like this. So even if you put 14 here, it will be formatted like that. The next one is very simple. So let us say you have got this number. You want to add the thousand separator. So just go to the format number, and in here you will find this format. So there are some built-in formats that you can use, and then you can see that it is formatted with the comma separator. So now let us format this number like this one. So just go to the format and then go to number, and then you have to go to custom currency. So you want the dollar, so select that one and then click on apply, and you can see that this number has been formatted like that. So that way you can do formatting in Google Sheet, and there are a lot of customizations are also possible. So if you go to format and then if you go to number and then in the custom number format, custom date and time, custom currency. So here you can type various options that allow you to format these things. So let us say you want more space over here. After the dollar, you can put the space there. You can see there is more space now there. That's it. Thanks for watching.